welcome back to our channel. Today we're diving into a new update on WhatsApp that makes sharing multiple pictures even easier on the PC app. Whether it's for sharing memories, highlights from an event, or just keeping in touch with friends, sending multiple photos with a message is now a breeze. Let's get started. First, open WhatsApp Web on your chosen browser. Just head to web.whatsapp.com and log in if you haven't already. Once you're in, navigate to the chat you want to send your photos to. It could be a friend, a group, or anyone on your contact list. Now focus your attention on the attachment icon, which looks like a paperclip. Click on it to get started. From the menu that appears, select Photos and Videos. This will open up a File Explorer window. Here's where the fun begins. Choose the photos you want to share. You can select multiple pictures by holding down the Ctrl key while clicking on each photo, or by clicking and dragging to highlight them all. Once you've made your selections, click Open. After that, you'll see a caption bar where you can type in your message. Add any text you'd like to accompany your photos to make the message even more personal. Finally, once everything looks good, click on the Send button, and voila! Your photos, along with your message, are on their way. And that's it. You've just learned how to send multiple pictures with text on WhatsApp using the PC app. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips and tricks. Happy chatting.